Hello, my name is Kimley Jean, and today I'll be doing the iodine test for complex carbohydrates. The goal and purpose of this experiment. The goal and purpose of this experiment is to test for complex carbohydrates in food or products. With this test, we could detect the presence of starch in various items. We will use the iodine as a reactor for this experiment. Background. What are carbohydrates? Carbohydrates is a biomolecule that consists of carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen atoms. Carbohydrates come in two forms, complex sugars and simple sugars. To test for complex carbohydrates, we will use an iodine solution. Iodine is a common indicator of the presence of starch. Iodine is usually a light brownish yellowish color, and when starch is present, the color will turn into a bluish blackish color. Experiment time. It will take about 5 minutes to set up, 4 minutes to perform, and about 3 minutes to clean up. In total, around 12 minutes. Materials. We'll be using the iodine solution, water, gloves, mini spoons, mini shot glass cups, mini plates, eyedroppers, and for the food items, we will be using banana pudding, cake mix, frosting, cornstarch, rice, milk, Nilla cookie wafers, oats, bread, and Splenda. As you can see, we have the mini shot glass, mini plates, gloves, mini spoons, eyedropper, iodine solution, and water. And for the food, we have banana pudding with the Nilla cookie wafers, cake mix and frosting. We have cornstarch, rice, milk, oats, bread, and Splenda. Warning. When doing this experiment, it is important to wear proper equipment such as gloves and a lab coat. Iodine is known to cause staining on skin, which causes the skin to turn yellowish color. Step 1. Wear your safety gear such as gloves and a lab coat. As you can see here, I am putting my gloves on. And I'm ready to go. Step 2. Place all your materials on a clean surface. Step 3. We will prepare a control group. Our control group consists of 2 shot glasses filled with water. One of the shot glass will contain only water, and the second shot glass will contain a mixture of water and cornstarch. As you can see here, I have my water, my iodine, my dropper, and my 2 cups, as well as cornstarch. As you can see here, I will fill the cups first with water. I also have my mixing spoons. As you can see, I'm filling my cups with water. I'm gonna fill the left one with cornstarch and water and mixing it thoroughly. I will put a couple of drops of iodine solution in each of the cups and we could see the reaction. As you can see, the right cup is still a yellowish color, and the right cup is a darker color. That means the iodized solution is reacting to the starch, which is a complex sugar. Here's a close-up. The left one is the starch and water solution mixed with the iodide solution, and the left one is just water and iodine. Positive and negative test. The positive test is the cup with the starch and water mixture in it. As you can see, the color has turned into a darkish blue color, which indicates the presence of complex carbohydrates. The negative test is just the cup with water. As you can see, the iodine is introduced to the cup. The cup is still remained a yellowish orange color, which means no starch is present. Live experiment. As you can see, I have bread, Splenda, Nila cookies, rice, banana pudding, oats, cake mix, milk, frosting, and cornstarch. I will put a couple drops of iodine solution in each of the samples. The findings. As you can see, all of the samples except milk and frosting has turned into a blackish blue color. The milk and frosting means that they don't consist of any sort of starch. Thank you and have a great day.